Kung alam niyo ang sagot sa tanong na to, put it in the comment section. Kung gusto niyo malaman ang solution, just watch the video. Moira bought 20 dolls for 2,400 pesos and marked them to sell at 145 pesos each. After selling 16 pieces at the street, she decided to sell the remaining dolls at a lower price. At what price may she sell each remaining doll and still realize a profit of 480 pesos on the 20 dolls? Is it A, 142 pesos, B, 140 pesos, C, 138 pesos, D, 136 pesos, or E, 134 pesos? So we need to consider here that there are only 20 dolls, and the capital for buying 20 dolls is 2,400 pesos, and Moira is planning to resell them at 145 pesos each. But after selling 16 pieces at a rate of 145 pesos, she decided to lower the price. So after selling 16 pieces, ibig sabihin 4 pieces of dolls na lang ang natira out of 20 dolls. Magkano dapat ang price ng each of the 4 dolls para may profit pa rin siya na 480 pesos? You need to consider ng 2,400 ang kanyang kapital. So kung meron siyang profit na 480, ang ibig sabihin, ang bago niyang pera is mag-add ka lang ng 480. So ang bagong total niyan is 2,880. So now meron ka ng bagong total na 2,880. And then nabenta na niya yung 16 pieces na dolls at 145 each. So let's multiply that. So yung 16 dolls na binenta niya ng 145 each is meron siyang kita no na 2,320. So now pwede nating i-represent yung price ng each remaining doll as P. So let's form our working equation. So 16 pieces at 145, that is 2,320, plus 4 dolls at a price of P. Then yung total na bagong pera niya is equal to 2,880. So let's transpose 2,320 to the other side. Magiging 4P is equal to 2,880 minus 2,320. 4P is now equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 4P is equal to 560. Divide both sides by 4. Your P now equal to 140. So kung ang answer nyo dito is B, then tama kayo. 140. So important reminder, sa ganitong problem, dapat maingat yung ina-analyze ang given para maka-arrive kayo sa tamang working equation. Konting algebra na lang gagawin nyo pagtapos. So again guys, like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow my Facebook page, facebook.com/maxmatrix for more updates. And please support and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Max Matrix. Good luck.